Avalo brings cats to the vet probably once a week. Sometimes lately it seems like it's been twice a week, but as a rule once a week. Prior to recently it might have been once every couple of weeks, but I just bring them whenever they need to come. So Gigi came from Georgia. She was a feral, and she's actually turned out to be fairly friendly, even though she still can act feral given the right situation.
What up?
Good
How's
morning.
it going?
These two, they look like brother and sister, but they're not related at all. They've had a dental here before, but their mouths are just not doing well. I'm giving them Depo and Convenia, and I'm just not sure how long to keep doing that. They're drooling, they're not grooming properly, red, angry, ulcerated mouths and gums.
Well, we love Michelle. She's very passionate. She's got a great head on her shoulders. We've been dealing with a lot of rescue groups for the 30 years I've been a vet, and I think she's probably the most level-headed rescue person that we've seen. I don't think it takes a special person to want to handle cats. I think she's a cat whisperer. She does a good job with these guys. Well, many of the cats that Michelle gets have needs, and a lot of the places that she's rescuing them from can't supply the needs. And unfortunately, needs tend to be very expensive, including all the medicines that we're dealing with, treatments and such, even surgical things. Surgeries are not cheap anymore at all, and it costs a lot of money to do that. And I think donating to this cause is quite worthy. It's better than just getting a bag of food from PetSmart or something like that, because this is much more involved. Anywhere from antibiotics, anti-inflammatories, even like chemotherapies. And then you have your behavioral medications too, and all these are quite expensive.
Avalo's vet bill this year has already been about $6,500. Now that is only at this clinic. That does not include spay and neuter clinics. Probably that's been around $2,000. That does not include acupuncture, which has been around $1,500. That does not include pharmacy costs, nor does it include FIP treatments. And FIP is basically a mutated coronavirus, and it's a very expensive treatment. It's relatively new. And last year, I believe we spent about $15,000. So recently this year is about $2,000 a month, and that's only 3 months in. And if you come to Avalo and you see the quality of care that we give each and every cat, it might help you or anyone follow suit in how to care for your cat even better. All the cats that we have get wonderful attention. We love every single one of them, and we can't do it without your help. From feeding, to medicating, to enrichment, to enclosures, to love. Everything that we need, you can help us provide and set a good example all over the world for every cat that needs help.